Assalamu alaikum. Hey, hello, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to add a shadow to a table in Excel. Step 1, select table area or table. Example, I select this table. Then select multiple cells, single cells. Hold Control to multiple cells or select full cells. Then go to color options, select this color. Okay. Step number 2, select the table area. Select the table area. Go to insert table. Okay. You can see many table style. Example, I select this. Then step number 3, go to insert menu, click shape, select shape, then dragging. Okay. Hold Control and drag it. Okay. Then hold Control, select shape, go to align middle, then group, and hold Control, drag it. Hold Control, then drag it. Then hold Control again, go to align options, align center, group. Again hold Control, select all shape, go to shape fill, no fill, shape effect, shadow. Example, I select this shadow effect. Okay. Then type your sentence. A B C. A B C. A B C. Align the text. Then select text. Hold Control or dragging. Hold Control. Select text box. Then go to align options. I select middle or center. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.